Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be reviewing generic Walmart beef and bean burritos. I believe these were 35 cents a burrito, so pretty cheap. I tried to cut open the bag with scissors, so I did that beforehand. This is what they look like. They look almost identical to some of the other super cheap burritos that I've had. And I'm not very hopeful. Hopefully it's not like the one that was super hard and like rock solid. My mom actually tried to eat another one of those and she said it was completely inedible after microwaving, and I would I don't know. I mean, it kind of turns into a cracker, a thick cracker. But, you know what? That's okay. We don't have very big hopes for this. What are the instructions? Instructions are 1 minute and 10 seconds inside of a loose paper towel. Okay. Well, I'll be right back after I cook this up. Hey guys, I'm back. This is hot! This is it cooked. It's kind of bonded to the paper towel a little bit, but not too much. As a side note, I did that popcorn review a few days ago, and the microwave still smells strongly of like very sugary perfume almost. It truly was like a middle school locker room smelling of Axe body spray, so my microwave will forever smell like melted sugary perfume. Anyway, this is what it looks like before I eat it. It's very hot right now. I'm gonna not very cautiously take a bite and see what the inside looks like. Tastes like there's lots of tortilla. Can't really taste anything but tortilla. Alright, so it's alright. It's got a little bit of beef and bean. It tastes pretty much exactly the same to all the other beef and bean microwave burritos I had, which tastes like absolute minimum effort poverty food. But you know what? It's all that you need. I will say though, look at this, how it looks on the bag. It looks like it's got a ton of stuff in there, and it's like light brown. This is like, if you can see here, there's like a mid-layer of tortilla that goes through the center, and there's really not that much filling. Not at all. Like maybe 2 centimeters worth of filling, and it's a very dark brown. It is not that light brown color that this seems to think you're gonna get. Let's have a little bit more. Alright, so it's alright. It tastes very generic. Nothing really to say about it. It was like, what was it, 30 something cents? So I don't know that there's much that I could have expected. I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 10. It's poverty food. It's completely edible. It's not, well, I think it's edible, but it's not too bad. I'd honestly rather just buy like a bag of rice and eat that or something though. Not really appetizing. 3.5 out of 10. It's it's not great. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the outro. In this outro, I'll be introducing you to Chester. Chester is a plushie my cousin made me from the game Don't Starve. He is a living chest. Hello, it is me, Chester. I am here to store your stuff. He's very trustworthy and soft and nice, and he stores stuff. The plushie doesn't. The plushie is very thick. He's a very full boy. He don't know have no room for your stuff. But you know what? That's okay. Thank you for watching.